Hello guys and friends, welcome back on the channel. This video is a very quick one. It is unplanned. And first of all, how are we doing today? Right now I'm in so much excitement because this morning I go to the office, doing one or two things. I just checked my phone and ta-da! I got my first alert of that YouTube payment that I have been waiting for and expecting like all year long. The essence of this video today is just to encourage somebody out there. All right, maybe you started YouTube journey and it doesn't seem like is not coming, it's not gonna come to reality. The truth is that this video, I made it just to encourage you. This morning it was mixed emotions. I've cried, I've laughed, I've done a number of things. This is one of the first reaction that I actually did when I saw that alert at first. Take a look at it. Now this is such a beautiful moment for me. You can see all of the emotion and everything because it's just I'm just so excited and I'm just so happy. You all know that this channel has hit monetization for the past 6 months. That is like March when I brought my first video here about how you got monetized and all of those things. And here, this is October, I'm just getting the first pay. Now I don't care about how much it is. It is just the fact that I just got paid something. That is what really matters. So I'm just doing this video to encourage you out there, just in case you are on this YouTube journey and you don't know what to do, you don't just feel like giving up. You need to just remember the why you started in the first place. Now, how did I start my first YouTube channel? It was just a Valentine's Day 3 years ago, and I just okay, what do I gift myself for this Valentine's Day? And I started the channel. And since then, there has been a lot of challenges. So if you're out there and you just joined or you've been on this platform for years and it's not adding up, there's going to be a lot of challenges. There's going to be a lot of times that you just feel like, I think I'm just going to give up. Don't give up because even if it's just a little step at a time, a little step at a time, it will bring you to that point. I waited so long. I waited so long to be able to share this video with you all. Because even in the stages of the monetization, it's one stage and one level to the other. Like I even had some videos recorded. If you need me to post those videos, I can share with you. It's just been I had those videos, I had those compilation in my library. I could not even edit them to post them because I'm like, God, when is this thing going to add up? When is this thing going to add up? And I'm just super grateful that it has finally add up. So if you are in a state of giving up right now, please don't. I understand how you feel because I have been there. I'm so happy to tell you that now I've become a mentor, I've become a guru. Oh my God, just permit me. I'm just in a rush of emotions right now. So just the point is don't give up. I remember sometimes when I just feel like this thing is not hard enough, maybe I should just stop this YouTube thing. I just remember my why. I remember that I just want to leave footprints in the sand. I just want my knowledge to be a blessing to other people. I just want somebody out there that cannot actually afford knowledge to actually get it free of charge. These are some of my why. I want to be able to, like, when I'm far gone, maybe my great great granddaughter can get something to hold on to, that okay, this is what my great great grandmother looks like. So those are my why. So at some point I just feel like, let me just give up, but i just cannot I just cannot afford, because there's just a lot of things that is at stake. And also there are times that I pray. I'm not even going to lie to you. There are times that you're just going to feel like, this thing is not for me, especially if you are just starting out, if you are just joining in. This video is going to be like a long story, but I hope that whatever I'm going to say is going to just help you, to encourage you, and just make you keep at it anytime you just feel like giving up sometimes. Because the truth is that those days when you will just feel like giving up will definitely come. Especially if you're in a niche that is not so easy sometimes to get a sewing done, to film it on camera, to now start shooting, to start editing, is a whole lot of work. And when it does not seem like you are getting a good feedback, because even sometimes you put in all your effort to do these videos and you might get some comments that will make you feel like, oh my god, what have I done? I have one of my videos on how to use the overlocker. When I first uploaded that video, my god, I got some lash on that video, like this video is terrible, this video is this video is that, and I'm like, what have I done? And that video took a lot of work, because if you still watch that video up to now, you could practically hear me panting at some point, because it involves moving the camera from one place to another when you are trying to show a particular intricate section of the machine. So when you are in a niche like sewing or educative niche, or you just want to pass the knowledge down, sometimes it's not easy. I can only say for this sewing niche, because I am a fashion designer like you, because I also understand that a number of my subscribers are fashion designer and embellishers like me. Okay, so if you are in that course, this is the same niche that you are putting out there. It's not going to be easy, but just don't give up. Don't give up, so that a day like this will come where you will get your first YouTube pay, and then you are going to smile just like I'm smiling right now. And trust me, on that particular video I'm talking to you about, after the first few comments, I started getting good comments of thank you, this video has saved me, thank you for this video, thank you for sharing this, thank you for this. There's just been so much love on that same video. So sometimes don't be too quick to be like, oh, what have I done? I've done something wrong. That video, the views on that video today on this channel is massive, but at the first few weeks I was roasted. I was practically roasted on that video. So there's just going to be sometimes that you just feel like, Abi, you should just throw in the towel. One of the things I do is that I pray to God. I believe that when things are not going, or maybe things are going south, I pray to God. That's just the truth. And also have people around you that will support you and tell you, that will cheer you on and say, okay, you're doing something great. Don't give up. Don't do this. And one other thing that also helped me is that this has been the YouTube comment section. And this is the reason, if you notice on most of my sewing tutorials, you will notice that I always say, leave me sweet comment, leave me sweet comment. The reason for that is that your sweet comment encourages me. Because there were days, let me even tell you a short story. There was a day I was coming back from, if you are very used to Lagos, I was coming back from the market, the Lagos Island market. And that day I was just so tired, exhausted, and I'm just like, that day it was just one day for me. And I was just in the bus coming back home. It was late in the night after the entire market run, and I just say, okay, let me just take a look at my YouTube studio, and I just got one sweet comment from one sweet girl. Like, she was like, I'm 7 years old, I use your channel teaches me how to sew. I'm like, oh my god, I cannot give up, because there's the same 7 year old on the other side waiting for me to show up. Do you understand? There were even days that I got comments from people in India, America. These are places that I've never been to, but these people show me love, and I'm like, okay, I can't give up, because I can't disappoint them. So look at what works for you. Ensure that you have people around you, people that understand the vision of what you're trying to do, that will encourage you and tell you that don't give up. Please keep at it, keep doing it. You can do it, and all of those things, because those moments of wanting to give up will definitely come. So I just want to encourage somebody out there. You might have been on this platform for 3, 4, 5 years, and it seems like you're not going to get any penny. It seems like the monetization is not going to come. It seems like you're not even going to get 4,000 watch hour or 1,000 subscribers. The thing is, don't give up. Just ensure that you keep taking the small steps. Just surround yourself with people that would encourage you, and also encourage yourself. Like I told you, I said sometimes I pray, because sometimes the encouragement has to come from inside. Sometimes what people around you are saying might not even make sense. Okay. So I'm really glad I got to share this moment with you all. Thank you so much, dress makers and friends, for the support. You all are the pillars behind this whole thing, because you know that I do not have any channel if you guys are not on the other end watching and supporting me. My family has been a big support in this journey. This might not look like a big deal, but the kind of support that my family has given to me, no, my husband, my mom, my siblings, no. The love is just so massive, and I can't wait to share this good news with everyone. The first thing I did was to pick up my camera and say, okay, I need to film this. I need to film this emotion, because you guys just need to hear this. So I hope that this encourages somebody out there to keep showing up and to not give up on YouTube. And also, let me make you understand that it's not like the YouTube money is so much, especially if you are in this sewing niche. Okay, so that you will not be expecting something so big. Like I said in the beginning of this video, it's not like the money is much, but the fact that you are being seen, you are being heard, somebody is encouraging you that okay, we see your work and we are here to support you. I think that is what really matters. That is the most important thing that matters. And I'm so excited that finally I can just get to upgrade my filming gear. And no, I'm just super excited about that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Woo! Please, before you go, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. If you're all about sewing and embellishment, this channel is for you. And if you are just passing by, you are just a YouTuber, you're just in any other niche, yes, I hope this video or what I've said this morning encourages you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. So, I just got my first YouTube paycheck.
Wow.
This morning.
Proud of you. Wow. Yeah, at least. Because I'm actually YouTube, man. How will I join YouTube now so that I can be getting dollars?